Yeah, you want to sit here with me? There, you can sit here in this chair. Ah yes, I wanted to try and cut some of those. That's right. That's what I came down here for, but I forgot completely. I sure wore myself out though. See, there's no ice on the stream. It's only -5 Celsius. What's that, 17? No, 30? Oh, 25? I don't know what it is. So to get there, I go this way. Shall we do that? There's probably a chair over there somewhere I can sit in when I get there. Well, not that I have to sit as soon as I get there. There's a chair here, but it's frozen in, or at least it was the other day. Probably still is. But it might not be. Well, maybe if I sit in it, it'll move. It's only plastic. I don't want to break it. She says, breaking it. Okay, it's staying. Till spring. Humps over the windowsill. Someone's head resting on my knee. You are in my way. And down you go. You are no longer in my way. You will be good firewood later.